Hello guys, today we learn how to create 3D letter manipulation in Canva. So let's start. Select the page dimension of 1280 by 270 pixel. After that, search the image for the dog. Drag that image and resize over the page. Set properly. After that, we want to search the frame for the letter D. Tag that frame for the image. Set properly according to you, because we want to create 3D letter effect. So set properly. After that, select that background image of dog and duplicate that image. And set that background image inside the frame. Overlay that image on the main image. After that, duplicate that frame again. Then go to edit section and decrease the brightness and also the outline. Set the border and on the side set the color white. Then go to layer section and place that black frame behind the new one. Then remove the background of main image. Set properly. We want to create a 3D effect, so both the frames drag properly. Here we go, design is ready. Then download the image. Now we want to show more realistic. So search for shadow effect. And select drop shadow. So it's like a 3D. Then little shadow. Add little shadow. So the effect is ready. Download that image. Here are some designs of 3D letters. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.